Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your date of birth on YouTube. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do is open up a new browser and come across to youtube.com. And if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, if you go and click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and because YouTube's actually owned by Google, you actually have to change your age on Google. So to do this, what you would do is click this blue link that comes up saying manage your Google account. And then from here, what we're going to do is click onto personal info, which is in the menu on the left hand side. Now you'll see if you actually access this through YouTube, you can actually see your date of birth. So what you need to do is actually come up to the top to the address bar. And what you want to do is just get rid of this section here. So if you get rid of this kind of code here with the numbers. So you just want it to basically say myaccount.google.com/personal-info, then the question mark, and that's basically the language. And then once that's done, if you just click enter, what's going to happen, it's going to refresh the page, but you'll see now that the date of birth is actually showing. So to actually change this, it's very simple. All you want to do is just click onto your birthday. And then from here, you'll see you can actually change your birthday. So you can actually change the month, the day and the year. And once you've changed that, you can change your privacy. So only you can see the birthday or anyone can view your birthday. And once you're happy with all the changes, all you want to do is go ahead and click the blue save button down here. And you'll see once that's done, you should get a confirmation message. Obviously, it's not done anything for me because I've not changed my date of birth. But for yourself, you should get some kind of confirmation come up when you click the save button. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.